welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be translating another kind of set of 5 sentences in our mother tongue. So most probably you do have a mother tongue of Telugu, and if you do have anything else, please do let us know over the comment section. And thank you so much for the love that you are sharing over likes, comments and subscriptions. So let's see how we can translate these 5 sentences today. So the first sentence is Ekuga Alochinchaku. Don't think too much, or else do not overthink. Let's see the second sentence. Naaku udyogam ragali. I should get a job. Let's see the third sentence. నేను ఉద్యోగం కోసం ఎంతో ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నాను. I am working hard. For my job. Let's see the fourth sentence. అతనిని నన్ను కలవమని చెప్పు. Ask him to meet me. నీకు నచ్చినది నువ్వు చేయి. Do what you like. So I want to give a kind of exercise for you. So if you do know any kind of other versions of these 5 translations, so please do let us know over the comment section. And do you need any more translations? Drop those comments and suggestions in the comment section, and I will check out each comment personally, and I will share those here over the board and translate it before you itself. So that's how this video was, and I'm glad you are liking this content. If you do need any more contents, as I've told you, please reach out the comment section, and I'll see you with next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.